career opportunity because I got a message from my friends on Twitter and my friends from Twitter and Facebook. The message is, para fair ang labanan, sa susunod, magpadala tayo ng interpreter sa Miss Padala natin si Senator Miriam Pwede na rin si Kuya Kim Atienza. Pwede na rin si Kuya Kim Atienza para may konting trivia.
Oh my gosh, she's funny.
When I was a student here, I was a very, very committed student. I was very, very busy, not only trying to stay in honor roll, but also in many various extracurricular activities. For example, I was editor of the Philippine Legion, and at the same time, I was co-sponsor of the UPROTC. Not once, but twice. Which only shows that I think I strive twice. I never had time to get picked up by any of the males. Because at the time, I was fully convinced that all males had the brains of an amoeba.
Oh my god!
With me today, someone very close to me, and actually, you'd be surprised, someone very shy. So I told her, you must meet the students of Metro Manila, and you'll see how impressive they are. I want her to stand up so you can see her, Miss Heart Evangelista.
Yeah.
She's a twice awarded Best Actress in Philippine films. But she has no self-confidence, I discover. If you want to teach her self-confidence, can you please first get in touch with me? So that I can verify if your intentions are honorable. Actually, she's available on Facebook. She told me yesterday, one time she got lost in Hong Kong, and a man was following her from floor to floor on a department store. She got very frightened and had an almost traumatic experience and burst into tears. That is the kind of feminine personality Heart has. So I told her, no, why should you get frightened? You should have turned around and confronted your fears. You should have stood up very straight in front of that Chinaman.
19. Cream.
And you should have said, see anything you like? If you like anything, it's $50. For $50 more, your wife can watch.
Oh my god. Stand-up comedian amp.
If you keep coming with me hard, you will get educated.
Sobra.
I was a very, very committed student. I always woke up at 5 o'clock and then went to church. And then I devoted myself to study the entire day and the entire night, which was the opposite of what my dorm mates used to do. They devoted themselves to, let us call it, extra sexual activities. And then when exam week came, they all went to St. Jude, the patron saint of the Catholic. I never got picked up by anybody here in the Philippines or abroad. But now I know that there are certain pick-up lines that would prove irresistible to young people.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
For example, I want to try the following.
following.
Kung magkakaroon ka ng sariling planeta, gusto ko ikaw ang axis nito. Para sa iyo lang iikot ang mundo. Sana Facebook status ka na lang para pwede kitang
I-like.
ibenta mo na ang bahay mo. Total, nandito ka na, nakatira sa puto. Sana naka-off ang ilaw para tayo na lang mag-on. Noodles ka ba? Kasi lucky me. Ang kamay ko ay parang siso. Pag wala ka, down ako.
Ah!
Para kang hold upper. Lahat ibibigay ko sa iyo. Huwag mo lang akong saktan. Ako din, ano? Di mo pa ako binabato, tinamahan ako sa iyo.
Ayun, si Momo nagsasabi.
Laro tayo ng kahit ano. Huwag lang taguan. Kasi a girl like you is hard.
Ah! Oh!
Sana exam mo na lang ako para sagutin mo din ako. Bastos ka din, ano? Bakit lang nagpapaalam, tuloy-tuloy ka pumasok sa puso.
Maganda yun sa
Google ka ba? Lahat kasi nang hinahanap ko sa iyo ko natagpuan eh.
Ano daw?
Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan mo eh. Pwede bang tawagin na lang kitang Aki? Ayan, husband that ever cried in his life, a member of Bastis Team. Nakalunok ka ba ng quitis? Kasi pag umitik ka, may spark. This is what Dr. Bienvenido Cabral said to Dr. Elizabeth Dr. Esperanza Cabral when they were both students in the UP College. Sana ikaw ang cardiologist ko para ikaw ang mag-aalaga sa puso. Sana scientist ako para ikaw naman ang lab ko. Hindera ka ba ng Yossi? Kasi you give me hope. Kasi you give me hope and more.
Nice!
Para kang cactus. Kasi handa akong masaktan, mayakap ka na.
Ah!
Pag wala ka, buhay ko parang lapis na hindi ko natatasahan. Pointless. Let's go to question and answer. Ano mo sasabihin sa isang babae na mataba siya, hindi siya mababastos? Sagot. Excuse me, man. Matabas ba ang lotion?
Ano? I love you! Pwede na siya.
Guy 2, puro blanco. Guy 1, patay. Guy 2, bakit? Guy 1, baka isipin nila nagkariyahan tayo. I never thought I would enter politics when I was studying so hard here in UP to prepare for my professional future. I always thought that I could someday be a rocket scientist, astrophysicist, or even a lion tamer. I never wanted to enter politics. I was simply forced by circumstance. And I am afraid I was seduced by the young people of this country. Once I entered politics, it became natural, being a civil, God-fearing, law-abiding citizen, for me to lose my temper because politicians are if not to prevail. Kailangan mataray ka. Kaya lang, iba naman klaseng taray ito. Ito nga sinasabi ko.
She should do stand-up comedy, di ba?
Actually.
She's gonna be so benta.
Ito sinasabing maganda ako. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pangit ka. Kita, parang gusto ko mag-sorry sa mga mata ko.
I'm connected to
Pili mo akong bagong bra.
But I'm happy.
Huwag ka na mag-bra. Maliit naman boobs mo. Why? Eh, bakit ikaw na?
Talaga. Siya na, siya na.
Our evangelista is so beautiful. People often tell her how beautiful she is. And she always says she feels extremely mortified when she hears it. So I told her, don't do that. Why should you be so shy? And why should you be embarrassed? And I told her, when someone told me, ang ganda mo, I answered, sana ikaw rin.
Sassy.
Sabaw, men.
At the swimming pool, classmate 1, I'm sure lutang ka. Remember, PE swimming. Classmate 2, bakit? Dahil bayat ako? Classmate 1, hindi, dahil plastic ka.
Shit, sabaw.
Sabaw talaga. Lutang, men.
When the cashier at the grocery said, Miss, pwedeng candy na lang ang sukli ko sa iyo? I told her, bakit? Tsokolate bang binayad ko?
Seryoso yun?
Siguro hindi. I mean, that's...
Grabe naman.
I don't even think she does her own groceries.
Kaya kita ni Homer eh. Grocery
When
ka.
husband says, when I'm gone, you'll never find another man like me. The wife replied, what makes you think I'd want another man like me?
Sabaw.
This is what I learned in my 8 years in Vietnam. I never learned this when I went to Harvard or Cambridge or Oxford. No. I will now go to my assigned topic.